Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. I'm also doing well, thank you. So today I want to share with you this very simple recipe, okay? So I've been experimenting with different kinds of swallows because I have a lot of people in my house whom all that they enjoy is swallow, okay? And I'm running out of ingredients, okay, to make my normal fufu and banku. So I'm trying to put things together. So I'll be sharing all those with you soon. But today I'm going to show you how you can make your rice and plantain fufu or rice and plantain banku. So stay with me and let's do this together. So for this recipe, I scooped 2 cups of rice, okay? And then I soaked it overnight and I'm going to add it to 1 plantain, okay? So the ratio, you can use 2 cups to 2 plantain or 3 plantain to 2 cups or 2 plantain to 1 cup of rice. You know, whatever combination you want. Just like fufu, some people only do cassava fufu. Some people only do plantain fufu. Some people do more plantain, small cassava, small plantain. Whatever you want, okay, you can actually do it. So I'm going to blend this and put it together. So in this recipe, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it 2 ways, okay? The first one, as soon as I finish blending, I'll just cook it, right? And then half of it, I'm going to leave it for a couple of days, actually 3 to 4 days for it to ferment. Then I'll bring it back to cook it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks really beautiful when you blend in the color, nice and silky. Okay, so I didn't use any fantastic rice. And the reason why I am doing these combos or I'm experimenting with this other carbohydrates to make swallow, it's because I have omoaboya in my house. Okay, you may not know what omoaboya is like. My mother, and it's another story for another day. So I have this rubbish rice, a whole bag of, say, grade 5 or say 2 Jimmy or Minimupo. I don't know how it came to my house, but trust me, my husband bought it, so you can trust them. They can be fantastic. Instead of jasmine rice, they bought the grade 5 or say grade 1 or say, I don't even know. Anyway, so we just make it as you make your own banku, okay? Or you make your fufu on the stove. It's very easy like that. So just make it. If you know how to make banku, just make it. If you don't, then watch, okay? So you just cook it. When it forms into one big ball like that, okay, then you add some water so that it cooks through because it tends to be raw, right? So for it to be able to cook through, you need to add some water, okay, and some heat as well, and also to soften it. I use more rice than the plantain, so it was kind of stiff, kind of hard, okay, so I had to add water to soften it, okay. So now, as you can see, it's nice and soft, and all that you have to do is to mold it, okay. So I just molded one for this one because people were just standing on my neck, say Charlie comedy ready. So I just served it, right? So that is the first one done. And look at the texture. How would you even know that this is banku or no? You wouldn't know. Even when you taste it, it's just like, as I was like, Samira, I know you did something new, but what is it? So this is the one that I left to ferment. So you can see that it's nicely fermented. I'll pour that water away and then I'm going to mix, it together and we are going to make that as well. So we pour it in the saucepan and then we make the banku. So as I was saying earlier, so we're going to do the same process as before. As I was saying earlier, you wouldn't even know because my husband is very fussy when it comes to certain food, okay? Banku, fufu, or nothing at all. So here, as you realize, I added some salt. I think I added some salt in the other one, but it's just that, I didn't show it. Sometimes you just get carried away when you're doing these videos, right? Anyway, so he doesn't eat anything. So when I make things like this, I don't tell him what it is, because he's not in the kitchen with me, right? I just serve him and he's like, you eat. So when he eats and he doesn't like the taste, he said, Samira and I, then I'll say it and it should just cut away. What that you need is how it tastes in your mouth, it doesn't matter. But he didn't. He's like, this is really nice. Samira, this is really, really nice. I know you've done something new, but what is it? And I said, this is rice and plantain fufu. Now, who decided that we should do cassava and plantain fufu? Or who decided that we should do corn dough and cassava dough to make banku? Yeah. And people put things together. So let's make, actually with this one, I got a concept from someone I saw on YouTube, a Nigerian lady. I don't remember where I seen her, but I didn't, register the channel or anything. use cassava and rice. Not cassava, plantain and rice. Okay, so that is actually what got me to doing this. But then I have other ones that I'm going to bring, that I thought of myself, that I'm going to bring to you. And it's lovely recipes. You love them. Amazing. And so, yeah, I serve this. You can serve this with your Banku, your lye soup and okra, just lye soup, whatever. Kontomire froye. People eat Banku and kontomire froye. If you don't know, let me tell you. Whatever. Okay. Oh, yes. So, yeah, I served it with okra soup and it was incredible. It was amazing. You love it. And the first one, I served that with goat lye soup and some okra. I'll bring you the recipe, okay? Goat lye soup with okra. It's amazing. And this is it. Look at it. Goat lye soup and some okra soup. Charlie, thank you all for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. You are all amazing. Thank you for the support. It's just incredible. I love you all. And I will definitely see you in the next one. So stay tuned and you see the different things that I'm bringing to you this year. Amazing recipes. You love them. It's been like I've slowed down a bit. Marco goes slow. But Charlie, life happens and things happen. You see. So you have to just take it easy on me, okay? They are coming. The recipes are coming. So abotre nkwa. By the way, abotre your crema be dion. Abotre. All right. See you all in the next one. Bye.